Day 5 and I am working on the lining. Here are all the pieces. Stay stitch and clip the top edge of back lining. Match to the lower edge of the back facing. Pin, baste and stitch. Stitch the shoulder darts. Stay stitch and clip the sleeve top edge. Match to the lower edge of the sleeve facing. Pin, baste and stitch. That is, back and sleeve facings attached. Join the sleeves to the back, matching double notches. Lining, back and sleeves are joined. Join front lining to front facing. Match notches, pin, baste and stitch. Join sleeve facing and lining to front facing and lining along the raglan seam. With right sides together, join the lining sleeve seams and the side seams. The jacket is ready for the collar and cuffs. Look for the link for the full version of this video.